Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to use the badge within Teta. This widget can, for example, be used to show the user the number of objects currently within an eStore shopping cart. Let's first access the scaffold and add a state. Next, we change its name into badge and leave 0 as the default value. Let's now select the icon responsible for increasing our state and then add a gesture detector. We will use state, onChange, increment, and badge as our parameters. At this point, let's go on the shopping cart icon and add the badge widget right before it. When selecting value, let's change it from text to state, and then add our badge state. Moving on to the fill, let's go from black to white. We can set the size from 16 to 14 pixels. Let's now set the font weight to bold and change the color of the text according to our design. At this point, all we have to do is try everything out. Let's go on Play, and as you can see, by clicking on the plus button, we can increase the number of our purchases. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!